nice to meet you again. Today, I want to inform you about our HBL for this week. Okay, the topic is about time. Okay, so check it out. Okay, let's see this. Okay, part A. Okay, using AM and PM. Using AM and PM, you can see this topic from page 50. Okay, from your textbook. Okay, the first, let's recall what time do you wake up today? Yes, you can say or you can write it as like this. I woke up at 7 in the morning, or I woke up at 8 in the morning. Okay, and then let's learn together. Number one, this was how Arif spent his day. Look at the clock, okay, and then look at the picture. Arif was sleeping, of course, right? And then look at the clock. It is 12 o'clock. And then you can see from the sky, it's still, yes, it's still dark. So we can say that Arif was sleeping at 12 midnight. Okay. And then look at the next picture. Yeah, the picture is he woke up, right? And then you can see from the clock, it is 6 o'clock. Of course, you can see from the light, from the, the sky is bright. So you can say he woke up at 6 in the morning. And then next picture, yes, the picture is Arif was having his lunch. And then you can look at the picture, it is 12 o'clock. Of course, Arif was having his lunch at 12 noon. Okay. And then the next picture, look at that. Yeah, look at the picture. He was doing his homework. Okay, and then you can see the clock. It is 4 o'clock. So, and then, of course, in the afternoon, right? He was doing his homework at 4 in the afternoon. Okay. The last picture, look at the picture. Yes, Ari was sleeping again, right? And then look at the time, 12 o'clock, and see the sky is dark. So we can say this one 12 midnight, and then this one also become the day 2. Okay, that's for the first. Okay, number 2 from page 51. You can read at here. We use AM to tell the time after 12 midnight to before 12 noon. Okay, example, look at this. Okay, what are they doing? Okay, the first picture, they are going to school. Look at the clock, 7 a.m. Look at that, 7 a.m. in the morning. The time is 7 a.m. Okay. And then the second picture, what are they doing? Yes, maybe, yeah, they are exercising. Okay. The time is, look at the time is 8 o'clock a.m. The time is 8 a.m. Right? Okay. So you can see these events happen in the morning. Okay. Number 3, look at the sentence. We use PM to tell the time after 12 noon to before 12 midnight. Look at the activity. Okay, they are playing football. Look at the time, 4 p.m. So the time is 4 p.m. in the afternoon, right? And then look at this picture. Okay. Look at they are buying something. Okay, look at the time. The time is 8 p.m. right? So the time is 8 p.m. in the evening. Okay. Okay, let's practice page 52. Okay, number 1, use AM or PM. Okay, part A. Okay, look at the picture and then look at the clock and then the sentence. Look at this. Nurul goes to school at 6:30. Of course, the answer is AM. Okay, AM. Okay, good. And then part B, look at the picture. Mr. Henry comes back from work look at the clock at 7. So it means it is in the evening. So we can say that it is 7, yes, p.m. Good. Okay, I think you can see that. Okay, number 2. Okay. Let me. Okay, number 2. What time does Norliza go to the market? Right, the time using AM or PM. Look at the picture and then look at the clock. Yes, the time is, of course, 9. Yes, 55. All right. 5, and then because it is in the morning, you can say there's 9:55 a.m. Okay, good. Okay, and then for number 3. Number 3, what time does Hadi go to bed? Okay, write the time using AM or PM. Look at the picture. Okay, it's in the evening or at night, right? So look at the time. Okay, the time is, look at the clock, I mean, and we can say the time is, yes, 8:20. Yes, 8:20 p.m. Easy, right? Okay. Okay, page 53, part B, telling time in hours and minutes. Okay, let's recall how many minutes are there in an hour? Yes, there are 60 minutes. Correct, there are 60 minutes, okay, in an hour, okay, 60 minutes. Okay, good. Now let's learn together. Number 1, what is the time shown on the clock? Okay, you can see from here, the minute hand is pointing to one of the markings between two numbers. How can we tell the time? Okay, now you can see here, there are equal markings between any two numbers on the clock. The minute hand takes 1 minute to move from one marking to the next. Okay, look at this. 1 minute and then 1 minute again. So we can say that the minute hand moves twice, right? After 6 o'clock. So we can say that the time is 2 minutes past 6. Okay, look at the hour hand. Okay, it is pointing at 6. Okay, 2 minutes past 6. And then we write the time as 6:02. Okay, we read it as 6:02. And then page 54, number 2. What is the time shown on the clock? Look at the clock, okay. The minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number. Okay, remember that? 5 minutes to move from one number to the next number. It means 4, if you see from the clock, right? 4 times 5, right? There are 4 numbers. So 4 times 5 is 20. After that, look at that. Count on from 20. Here, 20, okay, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And then look at the hour hand, okay, past 8, right? So the time is 24 minutes past 8. We write the time also as 8:24, okay? We read it as 8:24. Okay, good. And then for number 3, look at this digital clock, 7:52 a.m. Right? The time is 7:52 a.m. Or we can say that 8 minutes, okay, to 8 a.m. Okay, we read as this one 7:52 as 7:52. Okay, I think there's no problem with this. Okay, now look at this. how to get 8 minutes to 8? Look at the time, look at the clock, 8 minutes, right? The minute hand takes 60 minutes to move round the clock. Look at this, 60 minutes, the total of them, okay? So it means to get 60, 52 minutes, right? Plus how many minutes? 8 minutes. So equals 60 minutes. That's why we can say that 8 minutes to 8. Okay, good. Page 55, number 4. What is the time shown on the clock? Okay, let us see part A. Okay, this is the analog clock and this is the digital clock. Okay, look at them. Okay, the time is, yes, they are same, 5:30 a.m. Or we can say that it is 13 minutes past 5 a.m. Or we can say also 47 minutes to 6 a.m. Okay, I have explained it before. Okay, good. For part B, look at the analog clock and this the digital clock. They are same. I mean the time. The time is 11:06 a.m. It is 6 minutes past 11 a.m. Right? Or we can say that 54 minutes to 12 noon. Yes. Okay. Number part C, I mean. Okay, look at the clocks. The time is 2:44 p.m. Right? Or we can say that it is 44 minutes past 2 p.m. Right? And then also we can write 60 minutes to 3 p.m. Okay, and then part D, the time is 8:29 p.m. Yes, correct. It is 29 minutes past 8 p.m. Or you can say that it is 31 minutes to 9 p.m. And the last part E, okay, the time is 11:37 p.m. Is 37 minutes past 11 p.m. Or we can say that 23 minutes to 12 midnight. Okay, that's how to read the time on each clock. Okay, let us practice. Page 56. Remember, this is your exercise for your HBL. Don't forget to answer it and then take the picture, and after that send to your homeroom. Later Mr. Nisa will check it. Okay, now number 1. For each number, I will give you one example. Okay, and then after that you can do it by yourself, right? Okay, number 1, I give you one example, match. Okay, you can see there are 3 digital clocks here and 3 analog clocks. Now, let us match it. I give you one example. The first, 3:03 p.m. means I need to match this digital clock to, yes, to this analog. You can draw a line straight here by using your ruler. Okay? I think for the rest you can do it yourself. Okay, number 2. Okay, number 2, tell the time using pass or to. Pass or to. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, I will give you the example for part A. Okay, look at the clock. Okay, look at the minutes. You can see that the minute is 23 minutes, right? And then the clock, the hour, I mean, it is 5 past 5. So you can say that the time is, yes, 23 minutes, okay, past 5. Okay, yes. Now let's do the last, number 3. Number 3. Okay, look at this. What is the time? I will give you example for part A. Okay, what time is 12 minutes to 8 a.m. Okay, easy, right? And then you just subtract 12 from 60. And then it means the answer is 48. So 7. Okay, we can write it as 7:48. Okay, 48 a.m. Okay, good. That's the answer. Okay, good luck. That's all for the worksheet for the exercise. Okay? Yes. Yes, that's all. Don't forget, submit your exercise. See you again and bye.